Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can forget a Wi-Fi network on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to the clock face by pressing on the crown button. From the clock face, press on the crown button again to go into the home screen. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on Wi-Fi. Now tap on the name of the Wi-Fi that you are connecting to, and then tap on forget this network. Now scroll down and then tap on forget, and that's it. Once the Wi-Fi network has been forgotten, you can reconnect it again. So here, if I tap on Wi-Fi toggle button to switch it off, then turn it back on. And here you can tap on that Wi-Fi, and from there you can enter in the new Wi-Fi password for that particular network. And that's it. So that is how you can forget a Wi-Fi network on the Apple Watch 9. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.